What's up, everyone? This is the mini to close out the lockers for tonight. Sean just let me know that he's going to be breaking these at 8 o'clock Pacific time. That's 11 o'clock my time here on the East Coast. Tyler on the top, Eric on the bottom. We are live. Top three get one spot each into the main, and from there you guys will pick your teams, and the team text still applies as it did before. So we need at least a 5. Got an 8. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eric at the top, Eric at the bottom. Final round. Good luck. Last roll. Eric, Tyler, and Steve. Congratulations, guys.